Many African families eat only one meal a day, and 80% of a family's income is regularly spent on food.
In Kenya, the people affected by food insecurity right now is something to the tune of between 12 and 15 million people. Most of the people affected are actually children who are affected at a very high stage. And during that time, if we can, especially the children, in Kenya alone, 60% of that population which is affected by food insecurity is below 18 years old. And another, something to the tune of 40% is actually below 11 years old. That is, in Kenya alone, something to the tune of 3-4 million children.
Today I want to teach you something. I came to teach you something. We talked about biotechnology. I'm going to show you something. You see this small plant here? This is a banana which has come from biotechnology. Can you say biotechnology? Biotechnology. Out of this plant here, we have been able to, people like Council and the others, the farmers that have been teaching, have been able to produce some big, beautiful bananas like this. Do they look beautiful? Yes. These plants will belong to you, and you'll be able to study about biotechnology until you get your fruits, and then you'll be able to see your fruits come out of this small plant within 1 year. 1 year. Very, very big fruit, a very, very big fruit. And your teachers will organize for you to visit the orchard of Kansura, so you can go and see them already growing somewhere in the neighborhood. I come from a rural, poor community in Kenya. And I was growing up, there was always need to increase food production as our farm could not be able to produce enough to eat. And I always saw the insects and diseases take a lot of our food. And I was the so-called the pathologist in the family. I always tried to fight the bugs so that we do not lose all the harvest to the bugs. And even as I continued to go to university, I was still searching for ways to try and increase food production.